Hi Capricorn, this is your love reading for the month of May. I am a bit late in giving you this reading, but I was busy in your career readings and your next 10 days reading, the format I do usually. But I wanted to look at your love life as well, and I have got a picture in front of me. These cards fell out, these tarot cards fell out when I was divinating for you regarding your significant other, regarding your friendships, regarding your relationships in your life, family relationships. So, before I start telling you about these energies, I will read out a love note for you. It is saying, regarding your love, keep it simple. Asking someone to change is like pruning a tree. Neither will ever be the same again. Scarier still is that you can't quite know in what new directions they will grow. I wouldn't change a leaf on you. That is the universe saying to you. So, I wouldn't change a leaf on you. So, keep it simple. You can do nothing about someone if you want to change that person. Nothing you can do about it because they will not change. So this is the kind of energy uh, that is being told to you. You are being told to see things in reality and not think that something will change for you. So let's see what are the first energies. First energy is five of wands. There is some discord happening, there is some problem happening in your life. There is something which is related to a person who is a fire sign, or there is a decision taken by you in the past or in the present which is a bit reckless, which is giving rise to this situation of competition, discord, debate, and fights. So you need to think of something, you need to think of a way to get out of this. Maybe the knight of wands is a fire person around you with whom you are having this discord. Could be Leo, Sagittarius, or Aries, or this could be the angels are asking you to take that step, take that decision to move away from this fight, move away towards a new direction, because the knight of wands is a passionate person who wants to move away. Either this person, this fire sign person, wants to move away. That's why there is a cause of discord. That is what I am seeing. The tower moment will happen for you. The tower moment with the loved one, with the relationship, is going to happen. There will be a shake up, there will be a chance that things will not be the same again. There will be a shake up, definitely. There will be something which will happen to you, or it will happen towards a relationship which will create a rift between you and the other person. So a rift will take place, a shake up will take place, a discomfort will take place, and it could be because of a knight of swords or an action by you which will be very fast. That is what I am seeing. So swift changes will happen which will cause this disruption in your life. I am seeing, however, that some of you will be going towards something, taking up a travel, maybe a road travel. You will be taking up this travel to get out of this discordant energy. That is what I am seeing. Some of you will want to move on, some of you, however, would want to focus on this problem and solve it. So there can be a solution which is coming in, because I see the hermit card as well. So hermit says that you shine the inner light, you take wisdom from a friend or a mentor, you take wisdom from yourself, and you make a decision towards something which will be focused. So in love life, a focused decision could be either moving away or going towards someone. So I am seeing a focused direction will be taken regarding your love life. This will mean that or I am seeing a Virgo or a Cancerian around you. Could be the Capricorns. You could be having some multiple relationships. There could be a discord, there could be a shake up with these people, or a travel is taking place towards a place which is of nostalgia. So there can be an ex coming back, there can be you know, going back to parents, or going back to siblings, or this kind of energy is coming in regarding your love life, regarding your relationships. So you are taking, refuge with someone who is from the past. Some of you, you are taking wisdom from them, you are going towards them, and you are leaving a certain situation which is becoming difficult for you. I am seeing that the journey will definitely take place. The Six of Swords is in reverse. This means problems will remain, emotional baggage will remain, but something you will take a chance to get yourself out of an energy of problems, and you would want to go towards, something which is calmer, which will be conducive, and you will take that journey to escape. So escape situation is coming in. Escape situation is coming in from a tyrannical situation which is there, or a structure which is there around you. Could be, some of you under the hand of someone who is very very dominating, someone who is black and white, someone who does not understand love. So you could be, either you could be that person, or it could be, someone else. So if you are this person, this means that you are trying to be controlling, you are trying to control a certain situation, but it will go out of hand. That is what I am seeing. I am seeing the Fool card is coming in. So you will see that control is not going to help you. So you would want to escape, you would want to take that initiative, take that leap of faith, want to get away from someone or something, or go towards something. That is what I am seeing. So a decision will be made, definitely a focused decision to move on physically. That is what I am seeing. So angels are telling me that you will find your new cup of happiness. You will find that new cup of happiness and healing. I am seeing that maybe you are going towards a Sagittarian, or you are going towards healing. So you will be negotiating with a Sagittarian, you will try to upgrade a relationship, or you are trying to, find a path, a middle path, which will be like, something which will be, which you have never taken, because you might be going towards extremes. So this is the first time you will try to compromise. You would try to have success in a certain kind of love situation, or you are definitely going towards new love. That is what I am seeing. So the outcome energy is, yes, it is, final decision. Some of you will be taking final decision regarding a love life, love relationship, family relationship, or a situation in friendship which is going out of hand. So you will take a decision. That is what I am seeing. You will be fair towards people. That is what I am seeing as well. So fairness will be there. Or if you are getting into a court, if you are getting into a court for a relationship problem, you will get justice. That is what I am seeing. So a man-made justice or a universal justice will come, and something fair will be decided in your favor. That is what I am seeing. You will be finally getting into the situation of Nine of Cups. That is wish fulfillment, liberation. Some of you will be enjoying this moment. Some of you will be finding recognition, acknowledgement from a partner or loved one. So you will be getting into, because you are deciding to either love someone or get out of love regarding a person. You will be seeing joy and happiness, liberation, and happiness, and something which will give you a recovery. So a chance of recovery is there. That is what the outcome is saying in your relationship. That could be, the situation which will give you happiness. That is what I am seeing. Angels are telling me judgment will take place. Judgment is, taking you out of your rut, taking you out of a situation of a shallow grave where you were put in, where you were forgotten, where you were stagnating, you will be able to come out. A positive change is going to happen. Something will be done by you, or something will be done by the universe, which will give you a chance to resurrect yourself in this love situation. Go towards a new situation. Finally, the king of pentacles will prevail. This is your own sign. You will come to a situation of balance, you will come to a situation of authority, you will have the power and influence. That is what I am seeing. You will be confident in your love and relationship situation, and you will feel balanced. So whatever is the situation right now, you are going to go towards resurrection. You are going to go towards some positivity. So have faith. Some commitments will be done, some commitments will be broken. That is what I am seeing. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have personal problems, if you are going through some tower moments, if you are seeing the tower moment coming, and you want me to look at your crisis, if you want me to look at your specific energies, you can contact me through the comment box and leave in a request for a personal reading. My readings are paid readings. They are online, they are exhaustive, they are, I give my time, I give my attention to you. If you want that kind of reading, you can book it with me. So that's it from my side. Bye bye.